Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to fix auto equip in Souls RNG. So this is going to be pretty simple. Now what you're going to do is, first of all, you can see I'm on the side, and now basically the game have various different settings. So it also allows you to make their game more preferable and easier to play. Like for example, if you are looking for auto equip, you are going to be hopping onto your settings, so make sure you do that. Now a key aspect is that we have a bunch of settings in here that you should be looking at, and you can see we have the settings menu is the seventh button. If you do not know how to access it, down on the left side of the player's screen, and this menu allows the players to toggle 5 different settings, and also allows the player to handle and adjust their auto equip, swap, warning, skip warning, and aura filter separately. See, all of these settings are available. So now if you scroll a little bit down, you will be able to realize that various settings have various function. You can see their pictures as well. So we have different auto settings, like for example we have auto filter, aura filter. You can see we have auto add notification, we have buff enabled, and many more. So if you want to do your auto equip, you're going to be simply clicking on this particular option. Eventually when you set auras that player rolls equal or over the set value will be automatically be equipped. So that is pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you got this, and if you have any suggestions, let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.